If you're in Toronto and dreaming of a fresh set of lashes by an expert, keep watching. We've got a special treat for you and a mini masterclass for all the aspiring lash artists out there. Quick, effective, and packed with tips. It's your next step to elevating your beauty game. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by someone's lush lashes only to realize they're extensions? And not the heavy, overdone kind, but those subtle, I woke up like this, natural beauties. Well, lash extensions can be the perfect little beauty hack, giving your face an instant lift with just the right touch of glam. Today, we're here with the talented Carolina, a lash and brow artist whose pink studio is as chic as her artistry. And our model Meha is with us, while our very own Sadaf will be asking Carolina all the juicy questions. Carolina is going to show us the steps, techniques, and pro tips behind those soft, natural looking lash extensions that make everyone's eyes pop.
Hello, Carolina. Thanks for being our guest today.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so happy to be here and talk a little bit about Carolina's studio. So, I'm Carolina, I'm from Colombia, and I started doing lashes 2 years ago. Basically, it's what I always loved to do. I'm so passionate about it, and I'm so happy doing it. I spend all my day working on this.
All right, let's jump into some questions for Carolina.
The main difference between classic and volume eyelash extensions is the technique and the final desired look. Classic eyelashes normally involves one extension goes on one natural lash, which creates a more natural looking and defined. If you are looking for something fuller, I always recommend to go for the volume set, which is 4 to 5 fibers, which are thinner and lighter, but creates a fuller look. Eyelash extensions normally last between 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the natural lash cycle and the aftercare. I normally recommend to get the refills done every 2-3 weeks to keep them fresh and looking nice until the person decides to wear the extensions. For the aftercare, I recommend don't get them wet the first 24 hours and then keep them clean because they can get dirty. Also, with the lash shampoo, the adhesive is going to be perfect and it's going to help them to last longer.
And here's the fun part.
Do you have any giveaway or gift for one or a few lucky viewers?
Yes, I do. I'm gonna do the giveaway for the free eyebrows lamination, choosing any lash service set for a lucky viewer.
And a mini masterclass for all the aspiring lash artists out there. Quick, effective, and packed with tips. It's your next step to elevating your beauty game. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Great. Now let's go through the tools you'll need for the job. First on the list, professional grade lash extensions. These are the star of the show, helping to add that wow factor to your client's lashes. Then we have our lash palette. This will be used to hold lash extension strips during the lash appointment. Next, your tweezer adhesive remover. This will help you remove any adhesive that gets stuck inside the grip of your lash extension. The micro tip applicators are next. These are perfect for applying the cleanser, primer, or bond to your natural lashes or extensions. No professional kit is complete without storage containers. These are perfect for storing clean lash supplies in your workspace. Next on the list are lint-free wipes, perfect for cleaning adhesive bottle tips and blotting moisture from watery eyes. And let's not forget the glue rings, perfect for keeping eyelash glue easily accessible. Next, lash brushes are essential for brushing out extensions and achieving a seamless finish. Eye wash bottles are another must have, perfect for lash baths or soothing any irritation. Lastly, the cleansing brush is a key tool for ensuring lashes are clean and ready for flawless application. Let's talk about lash tape. Professional grade and skin safe, it's perfect for gently adjusting the eyelid and covering lower lashes. Eye patches are another must have, protecting the under eye area and lower lashes while adding a polished professional finish to the process. Next up is the Foaming Lash Cleanser, a true lifesaver for lash baths and client home care. Good quality applicator wands come in handy for applying cleanser, primer, or bond to the lashes. Next in line is Lash Bonder, a perfect tool to cure lash adhesive at the end of a lash appointment. Let's also not forget the handheld fan. It's used to evaporate moisture on the natural lashes and extensions for a clean finish. Now, onto the lash extension adhesive. Remember to use a professional grade lash adhesive for applying extensions. High quality lash tweezers are absolutely essential. We're going to need both an isolation tweezer and pickup tweezers for accurate application. Finally, we have our nano mister. Its main purpose is to spray a water mist over the lashes after application. It aids in effectively and quickly curing the adhesive. So far, so good, right? But we're just getting started. Begin by prepping your client's lashes with a foaming wash, gently working it through the lashes to remove any dirt and oil. Pay extra attention to detail to ensure everything is perfectly clean and ready. Before rinsing with water, let your client know to avoid any unexpected discomfort. Next, place eye pads by asking her to open her eyes, ensuring all bottom lashes are beneath the pad. Finally, use eye tape to fully cover the bottom lashes. It's crucial to ask the client if she's comfortable moving on to eyelash mapping. We begin with shorter lashes in the inner corner and gradually increase the length towards the end. Here we have from 8 millimeters to 12 millimeters. The length and fullness of eyelash extensions depend on the client's natural lashes and their desired style. Here, we're focusing on achieving a soft, natural look. To do this, we'll use a mix of classic lashes and a few pre-made volume fans. As Carolina explained earlier, classic lashes are single extensions applied to individual natural lashes, enhancing length and shape while creating a beautifully defined curl. Pro-made lashes, on the other hand, are a cluster of individual lashes that provide a fuller and more dramatic look wherever your client's natural lashes are thicker. You can add a few pro-made lashes to provide some extra volume. However, the majority of the lashes we apply will be classic lashes. These will mainly serve to lengthen the lashes and create a subtly fuller appearance. Now we pour a bit of glue in a glue ring to make the whole process faster. Be sure to take enough glue, not too much. And if it's too much, control it with the ring edges before applying. One of the most important and sensitive parts is the eyelash isolation. It requires focus and patience to put every single extension base on one natural lash. When applying an extension to a natural lash, ensure it's perfectly aligned using your tweezers. Keep the lash isolated until you're confident the extension is positioned precisely. After adding a few extensions, use a cold fan to speed up the glue drying process. Remember, refreshing the glue in your glue ring every 20 minutes is crucial to maintain its effectiveness. If they are baby or thin lashes, don't add pro-made or longer length. Go with shorter and lighter extensions. It's very critical for the health of the natural lashes that they are separated and not stick together. This could be the cause of growing bacteria. Before finishing, check the mirror so you can see the results from every angle and make any adjustments if necessary, or fill the empty spaces or gaps if there are any. Then dry the lashes for the last time with the fan. Next, apply the super bonder to lock everything in place, followed by a light mist with the nano mister. Just a few seconds is all you need. Before removing the iPad, check that no lashes are stuck to it to ensure a gentle, pain-free removal. Finish by softly brushing through the lashes for a polished look and carefully take off the iPad. Give the lashes one final brush and voila! Your natural-looking extensions are complete. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite lash extension style below to enter the giveaway, and subscribe to the ElegAView channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things beauty. Thanks for watching. Stay fabulous, and we'll see you in the next video.